Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tell you about the journey of Gandhiji from a young man to the Mahatma of our nation. Gandhiji was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. He studied law in England and practiced as a lawyer in South Africa for 20 years. He was married to Kasturba Bai in 1883. During his practice in South Africa, Gandhiji struggled for improving the condition of the poor Indians in South Africa. In 1894, he established Natal Indian Congress to fight against the discrimination meted out with the Indians there. He evolved the concept of Satyagraha or Ahimsa. In 1915, Gandhiji returned to India and he supported the cause of the poor peasants of Champaran, Bihar, a small district in Bihar. And this was his first support after coming back to India. He became a very popular figure. He was the only leader in the freedom movement who could mobilize such a huge mass into freedom movement, freedom struggle. By 1919, Gandhiji was a very popular figure in India. The method, the ways which Gandhiji suggested to get the freedom back was Satyagraha, Ahimsa. Although Gandhiji method was very peaceful, but its effect was very long-lasting and very impactful. People were highly impressed with his efforts and was very much influenced by his words. Then Gandhiji initiated many other movements like Khilafat movement, non-cooperation movement and many other. Not only for the freedom struggle but also for reforming the society. Then in 1942 August, Gandhiji launched Quit India movement. On 8th August 1942, a resolution was passed by All India Congress, which declared the immediate end of the British rule. People were very much vigorous, very much active to get the independence back. And they were fighting following the slogan of Gandhiji, do or die, karo ya maro. On 9th August 1942, Gandhiji with many other leaders were arrested. The mass of India, they got vigorous, they got very angry on the arrest of their leaders, and thus a non-violent movement turned violent. People burnt post offices, government offices, and even the lathi charge occurred. But Gandhiji kept on fighting for the freedom of India. And finally, when we got our independence, Gandhiji was such a popular figure among the mass that he was not only considered a political leader but also a spiritual leader. And thus he was named Mahatma Gandhi. So in short, I told you about the journey of Gandhiji from a young man to a spiritual leader to a Mahatma of our nation. I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching.